Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell videos on Squarespace website. The first thing you will need to do is create an account on Squarespace. And you can do this for completely free. All you'll need is your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Get Started. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the templates page. Once on the templates page, all you'll need to do is go over to type, and from there you can select any one of the types. For example, let's say we were to select the membership type right there. You can scroll down and you can see the different templates that they recommend. But what I've gotten to realize with Squarespace is that they have limited themes. So what I normally recommend is you tap on build your own template. After selecting build your own template, you'll tap on let's go. After selecting let's go, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll enter your site name or title, and then from there, you'll be able to compose your website theme to your liking. So let's say, for example, we want to call our site test videos, just for example's sake. Then you'll tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to the home page setup, and from here we'll be able to design our home page. Now you can start by choosing if you'd like an introduction at the top, as you can see right there, intro section. So I'll stick with this intro section right there. Then we're going to scroll down and you'll see product selections, and then from here you can use any one of these styles you'd like to use, as you can see right there. And then, so let's say we like to use that one, we'll select that. Then from here you can scroll down. After scrolling down, if you would like to offer services, you can do that. And then we're going to tap right where you see digital products section, and from here you can select any one of these styles also. So let's say, for example, we were to select this option, and then I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to unselect this one right here. So I'll leave this blank, I'll remove that section. Then I'm going to scroll down and we're going to add an about section. So we'll choose this about section right here. Then from there you can scroll down. If you'd like to add a social section, you can. If you'd like to add forms, you can do that also. So you can add a sign up form if you want. So we're going to be adding a sign up form. I'll be using this one. After doing that, you'll tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here you can scroll down and you can add a shop page also if you want. So you could tap on shop, and from there you could add a shop page. But for now, we'll simply tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can select the color scheme that you would like to use. So let's say the color scheme I want is this one, light blue. Then I'll tap on next once more. Then from here you can select the font style, then tap on next once more. After you have done that, you can see our pages are being generated. Now you can see that our website is ready, so we'll tap on skip right here. What we're doing is adding our products, and remember that we are selling videos. So we're going to go over to the left hand menu option and we're going to select selling. After selecting selling, you're going to tap on products. After tapping on products, you can see the different type of products that you can sell. So if it is a case that you want to sell physical product, you would tap on physical. If it is a service, for example, consultation or so on, you could select service. You can see that you can also sell digital products and so on. But since we are selling videos, we are going to select video on demand. After selecting video on demand, you will see the different layout that you can choose right here. And we are going to be using this layout. So I'll tap right there. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, as you can see right here. And from here, you can scroll down so you can see how it looks at the moment. as this, remember, this is the layout that we had chosen. Now all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap right where you see videos. After tapping on videos, you're going to be redirected to the videos page. So you can see the videos page right here. And to start editing it, you're going to tap on edit in the top left hand corner. After tapping on edit, you'll now be able to make changes to any section. So you could make changes to the header section by hovering over it with the mouse. Then you could tap on edit header. From there, if you wanted to change the site title and logo, you could simply tap on it in the top left hand corner, tap on edit site logo, and you could edit a title and you could add a logo if you want. You can also go over to the right hand menu option, and if it is a case that you wanted to edit the navigation, you could do that. If you wanted to add social links, all you'll need to do is tap on add elements. Then from there, you could toggle on social links. Then you can tap on the social link in the top right hand corner. For example, Instagram link is currently displayed. I could tap right there, then tap on edit design, and from there I'll be able to edit the social link. Now to edit the other sections of the page, all you have to do is tap on it. Then from there you can edit the text section. If it is a case that you would like to change the background image, you could tap on edit section, then tap on background, and from here you could change the background image if you want. Now let's scroll down. Once you have scrolled down, you can see the different videos right here. Now to manage the videos, you'll simply tap on manage videos. After you have tapped on manage videos, you'll tap on save to save any changes. So let's do that real quick. Then you're going to be redirected to this section, and all we'll need to do is tap on all videos from the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on all videos, you will see the sample videos that were added. Now to add your own videos, you'll simply tap on the plus right here. After you have tapped on the plus, from here you'll be able to enter your title. Then you can add your video. And you can add videos up to 3 hours long, as you can see right there. And you can also add a custom featured image if you want. And by scrolling down, if you like to add an excerpt, you can do that. You can also add a description right there if you want. After doing that, you'll simply tap on save. So you can do this and you can add numerous videos, as you can see right there. So you can add your videos coming right down. After you have added your videos, all you'll need to do now, you could select all of the sample videos. So you could tap on select all. Then from there, you could delete all sample videos. But you can see the sample videos right here. So you can quickly play them. And if you were to tap on the 3 dots, you can realize that you can edit your videos after you have uploaded them. Now that I've shown you how to upload your videos and so on, we can go back. And it is now time to set your pricing. To set your pricing, you'll simply tap on pricing plan from the top left hand corner. And you can see monetize your video collection with a pricing plan. You're going to tap on create pricing plan. Then from here, you can select each individual video. So you can see videos 1. You can scroll down. So we can scroll down right here. And you can add your description if you want. After adding your description, you can scroll down. And from here, you can add a benefit. So you could tap on add benefit. And you could type in extra benefits. For example, you can see over 20 hours of video content, unlimited lifetime access, and you can see a layout of how it looks right here, a preview. You can add your price by tapping right here. If it is a subscription plan you want to set up, which is a recurring fee, you could scroll down and select subscription. If you would like to offer a few videos for free, you could select free right there to offer your first video for free if you want. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on create in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you can continue adding pricing for other packages. You can create other packages if you want for other videos. So you could tap on products right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add digital products, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on create in the top right hand corner. For now, I'm going to go back. So now I've shown you how to add videos, how to set up your pricing also. So all we need to do is tap on website in the top left hand corner. After we have tapped on website, you can see the video pages right here. You can see we have our about page, and to preview it, we'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner. So this is how the video page would look, as you can see right there. And again, remember, it is quite easy to edit. So you can see how it looks right there. And if I were to tap on test videos, it would carry me back to the home page, as you can see right here. Remember, this is our home page that we had created. So we have our contact form and so on here. Keep in mind, to collect payments on Squarespace, you would need to go onto one of their paid plans. But their paid plans are quite affordable, and I would definitely recommend that you make the investment. As you can see right here, it starts off at $16 per month, and their most popular plan is for $23. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.